Oh, Dante finally got up there. You a cheater. Y'all
back of the house. Let's see.
I just ran and jumped from right there.
Where they go? No. Oh, there they go. Where Derek? Where Derek at? He shoveling. He making money. Oh, he way down there. Is that him? Where's Derek?
Derek.
I don't see him.
Derek.
He got the bucket in his hand.
Who is that? One of the workers? I don't see him. Oh, that's him with the tan jacket way down there. He making money.
You gotta stick your foot in and make a step.
Well, at least he got a little progress. The sidewalk, you can see a little ground. He only did this part. He didn't even do down there. Oh, sweat. I said sweat. I ain't cursing this time. Wow. He only got that far. He got this whole place to do. They cross the street. Cross the poor driveway. And over down this way. Y'all crazy. Ooh. Look at Donovan trying to get up there.
I need a board.
I can't even see. I'm seeing myself. My reflection in the phone. I'm like, okay. Oh, I could turn it around and see myself too.